This is the last one. Khalas.
Hadith 703, Aisha radiallahu anha reported that I have never seen Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam laughing so heartily that his uvula could be seen, and he used to smile only. Bukhari and Muslim.
Okay, this is hadith tells us that the Prophet sallallahu, whenever he enjoys something and he's happy, he will smile. He will not laugh, but his laughing is allowed. It is allowed. But the laughing which is not allowed, number one, is the one all the time laughing. So we don't have a person here to come and start entertain us with jokes. Because these people, they do this, they have to add lies into it, or exaggeration at least. We have found out about the exaggeration lies. So we don't want a person here start making jokes. The كثرة الضحك تميت القلب. Too much laughter, it will harden your heart. But it doesn't mean that you don't laugh. But laugh, that's number one, not all the time. It's not something. Number two, it's not with a loud ha ha ha. Some people like this. They exaggerate in the way ha ha. Subhanallah. That's not laugh. I mean, I would laugh on a person who does such a thing. I would laugh on him. What is this? So laughter, the Prophet used to smile, his companions to joke with each other. They used to even throw things on each other. The Prophet looking at them and smiling. But when it comes to the war, they are the men. Right, so he smiles until the uvulas, which is in the scene from the Prophet ﷺ. Even Anas, he saw the uvulas, and he said, I could see the trace of the poison that the Prophet ﷺ had eaten in his uvulas. So they were swollen. Because he had eaten the meat in Khaybar, the year 7, and then he died in the year 10. Okay, 3 years later. So the Prophet ﷺ, when he had eaten the poison, the uvulas gone a bit swollen. So the Prophet, Anas, he said, I used to see the trace of the poison in the uvulas of the Prophet ﷺ. في لهوات النبي صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم.